Oh no.
I thought I could jump
the fucking
it.
mine room. I heard multiple going off after you were fucking dead.
Yeah, there's a lot
I-
going on.
I fucking thought I could juke that turret out.
I was trying to distract it, but it like locked on you and it wouldn't leave you.
Uh-oh. What's that?
I don't know.
What did you think of my
What is going on out there? We need to re-add the fucking spectate enemies fucking mod. Wonder if it's one of the Skinwalker doppelganger things.
I don't know. It sounded like a British guy talking.
I don't know what that was.
The fuck is that?
He has to start running. That's the fucking gesture. You don't want to fuck with that thing.
What did you think of my act? I hope you enjoyed the grand finale.
Shooting at that damn horde bug.
What did you think of my act? I hope you enjoyed the grand finale. I hope you enjoyed the grand finale.
He can't jump through the damn line. That's why I'm afraid about the door.
Oh my god.
That's so fucking loud.
Yeah.
What did you think of my act?
Why don't I hear my footsteps anymore?
I really tried to jump that fucking landmine. It like set off like a goddamn explosion.
Hello?
What's that fucking alarm?
I don't know what that is. Oh wait, we can use the thing. I forgot about that. I don't know how you do it.
Oh my god.
What do you think about my accent?
As you have not met the